What is it? Whoa, that one came too close. What is it? What is it, boy? Oh, can you give Daddy kisses? Where's his kisses? Oh. Give me that pacifier. Oh. No, you can't. The camera. Teddy, how was your day today? Did you have a nice day with Mama? Can you tell Dad about it? Yeah, tell him. Daddy, this thing is extreme close up of my head. You guys look like you're close.
Daddy, where you been all my life? Get closer.
Oh, so much for personal space. It's pretty cute, huh?
He's pretty adorable. Other way, bud.
Turn it around. Turn it around. You know how to do it. You know how to do it. You don't trick me. You know how now, brown cow. You know.
That way works too, I guess.
It's pretty good.
Ah, you got it. Ah, you don't got it.
You gonna barf on you?
Yeah.
Ew, oh no. Oh. Oh, dang.
Oh, dang it.
Whoa. Hey, Sully.
What up, cheeks?
Bop.
What up, cheeks?
Paparazzi had a nephew.
What are you doing? What are you doing, crazy man?
Uh-oh, we're running out of battery. It's time to sign off. Okay?
Oh.
Bye, Daddy. Bye, Teddy. Good
Bye.
luck.